This one is recording or not? It's starting now. It's start now. Okay. We are in the beach. At the beach.
See? This is
Here.
so-called the #1 top public beach. Top one
Public beach
in
in Hong Kong.
Okay, you show them around.
I don't think so.
Mountains.
It's not #1.
No, I think it's because of the sun. It's so... Oh, it's low tide.
It's low tide. Yes. I like the one in last Sunday that I'm
Taipei?
recording last time on Sunday, the long K1 beach. That one.
Di ba Saikong din yung
Saikong.
Clearwater Bay?
Clearwater Bay? Yes.
Sabi ni Saikong.
Clearwater Bay.
That beach
Last
is
time.
not white sand.
I've been already there.
Yes, not black sand there. Not white sand.
It's a white sign.
Just Clearwater Bay.
Yes. That is in front of the ocean also.
Oh, this one is students.
It's still recording?
Oh, Lord, children. You see?
Still recording? Paano to mag-ano? Gusto ko i-front, i-back. Hindi ko makita. Kasi super... Hindi ko makita. Yun nun, doon yun. Yes. Dapat dyan. Where? Let's see. That's so... What's that? You try! I cannot see. I-back. I-front back. Nasaan? Wala siya. Wala. Ano na lang, gano'n na lang. Ganito na lang. Right. What? Kasi ano to, kasi pinaka-longest beaches. You can see that? Yes, still there. Ito yung ano mo. Sabi ko Why? Where?
The white man.
Where?
Filipino.
Where? I don't know. I don't think so. She is Filipina. I'm not sure. Are you sure? Wala na. So many kids here. Maybe that is
Why?
why?
Maybe.
Maybe
It's like that.
something yata yun sila.
Go there na.
Where?
There.
We need to take off our shoes.
Yes, let's try.
We need. So many kids. Maybe in the school. Activity school. That side. Is it this side or we go that side first? Please swim with the... What's that?
Oh, we'll go inside the restaurant.
Yes. Then we enter there. We cannot.